proud for being male champion at Parliament. That is women caucus. Me a member of women caucus. So they call me male champion. When they tell you say now we the champion one in business, we in that caucus. We in the caucus with several communiques and conferences there where UN supports, and we don't go Rwanda for go learn the many lessons. Why is it that women in Boku? But few things I will tell you now, and I still get assignment for do with my own phone. Salon statistics tell you so women are around 52%. But yet, even though I get big population, why is it that they meet up all the time? In Rwanda, it is not like that. In Rwanda, safe seat for women, and they do one. They call this future so. The umbrella women organization, they call them. Network movement for women.
Network women in governance.
Network women in governance, that's the umbrella. In any of these they look for the umbrella. They get a safe seat. Among women, choose one person. That is how we run a parliament. They call it affirmative action they take now. We are praying that we will convince Okompi to man in the parliament. Then they support affirmative action for long and begin a safe seat. You see? So you see, women, they get because they are united. Among the women umbrella organization, they listen to themselves. Now, if you go to Rwanda now, they get 61% representation in Rwanda parliament. Rwanda has 13 million population again, but they get 80 MP in the parliament. Out of the 80 MP in the parliament, 61% women. Can you imagine? These are the women. 61%, that's not small. But Una and the badass, that's alone. Support democratic consolidation. How you support democratic consolidation? That's the secret. That's the secret. How you support democratic consolidation? This is the secret. When they reintroduced the decentralization process in 2004, there were only 3 women that began in council. True or false? And 3 women. One of the mayor, 1 district council, 1 city council. 3 women. At the end of the day, we came to civil society. Me jump to civil society in 2005 when I done college. I begin to give free training to women then. Today, if women do say this, so I will tell you I'm humble. I contributed. How I contributed? I was working on consultancy pro bono basis for 50-50 in this streets. 50-50, I'm the champion all one in business. I'm the one training one in Agbane, free. Tobodu, free. Fiama, free. Sando, free. I champion all the 14 children. Free training. Writing project for women and free. Training them free. Sometimes the man go force no all fear no bad. But I say no, I'm proud for train. From 3 councillors in 2008 election, we go to 5. Is that the consolidate? Because of the training. There are people for seeing the need for women in their position. So I go consolidate. Remember, we start 3. 2008 election, we go 5. Women councillors. 2012, we go 8. Can you imagine? Yeah, women councillors. That's why they consolidate. Preach. Say let women in more position. But I want to tell you again, women are for proud. Because a woman come on the street and then produce the first woman mayor in the country. I can't for herself. As far as this relation in picking one concern, woman come on the street and then produce the first woman mayor. Now, woman again come on the street and then produce the first woman district council chairperson. Don't do by election. I can't for herself. Yeah. So even though we are official at ABN, you have also made your mark. You are not for Sion. The one who I get, we are not consolidator, we are regional. We are for consolidator. So that more women will be added. Because already they don't set good example. They do tangible development, not a part of a job. Local development, not a part of MP job. But they don't go beyond. So no, not only for government law, like our tangible development then. Like Bae, like hospital, where they build now, supports to women folks there, etc. etc. At the end, it don't do well. So if I get bien announced, stand by announced, say no, this will come from another disgrace. We forget about malice, forget about shumu talk, no we bien announced, proper. That is it. Now you go make, tomorrow bye-bye, and we stand. The one who get in parliament, when they represent constituency 029, in Agostina Ibadan. Thank you. Once more, they ask this question. When I get one MP woman now, when they represent in the House of Parliament, and interestingly, the secretary to the woman caucus in Parliament. She's the secretary. She's very strategic. Secretary and the woman caucus in Parliament. And she's been doing well. Because the international community, they are happy. Because they call me. He said, that is your member. That is representing women folk. We're happy. She's doing great. So you see, now, I don't try to say they do well. The women of Kono, where are the women of Kono? Can I see your hands? Women of Kono, can I see your hands? Women of Kono, are you here?
Yes.
Are you here?
Yes.
Women of Kono, when I go sit down, the one MP woman, when I go to parliament, if I go sit down, tell them, even though?
No.
Thank you very much. When I go away, but more picking, not the soul?
Yes. I got for one day.
I don't know. I don't go tell them. I tell them plenty, thank you.